Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method on Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove a payment method because you no longer use it or maybe your card's expired. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments. Next, click on Payment Methods. And then on this page here is where you can actually add a payment method. But if you click on Edit next to a card that you want to go ahead and remove, click on Edit and then click on Remove. Afterwards, click on Confirm, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a payment method on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.